Here are the ingredients that you need to make scrambled eggs. So here I am cracking the eggs into this bowl thing, and I'm getting all the egg yolk in, but none of the shell. As you can see, I'm just cracking this one open. It's gonna be sometimes hard to crack them open. You gotta actually hit the thing pretty hard. And yeah, just make sure that you don't get any eggshell in, and if you do, you can scoop it out with a fork or something. But yeah, right now I'm just cracking the eggs to get ready to make scrambled eggs. This should be good. So here I am. I've got all my egg yolk in the bowl, and I'm decided to add a little salt. Salt is optional. You don't have to add it, but I decided I wanted to. So yeah. Now I am whipping it. I'm whipping the eggs. But I'm not very good at it. As you can see, I'm not very good at it, but this is the most important part. You gotta remember to do this. You want it to be fast and just constant. Now you want to get a slice of butter and turn the oven on to medium. After you've done that, you're gonna want to get your slice of butter and put it on your pan. As you can see, I failed to do that with these. And then you're gonna want to slowly just move the piece of butter around to just cover the whole center of the pan. Now, next, you're gonna want to slowly pour all of your egg yolk in, slowly, so it covers most of the pan, like that. Now you're just going to want to push the egg yolk around while it burns on the pan, or cooks on the pan, not burns, hopefully not burns. And just keep it constant movement. You don't want it to stick to the side of the pan. You just want to be constantly moving it, like so, just gently, just swishing it around. And then yeah, do that. Keep it off the sides so it doesn't stick, and eventually you'll see it start to resemble scrambled eggs. Keep it constantly moving, and just scrape it around and keep it from sticking, like this. As you can see, I'm keeping it, and look, that's starting to resemble. Now here, it's even more resembling scrambled eggs, and it's more bunched together and less watery, so you just gotta let it bake a little longer, just keep it moving around, and then you're gonna want to start flipping it pretty soon, right now. There you go. Just start flipping it like so, and just keep moving around and cut it up into little pieces like that, and flip every side so you get every bit. Alright, once you've cut up your eggs, you are ready to go and put them on a plate to be served and eaten. So, yeah. Alright guys, now I'm eating it. Let's see how it goes. Gotta add some ketchup.
Ew, why did you? Ew, Evan, chill. Chill. That's too much ketchup.
Ketchup is good, especially with eggs. All right, here we go. First taste test. Well, I've definitely had better eggs. But, I mean, they're not bad. They taste like eggs. You know? Alright, guys. Now Sophie is going to be eating my eggs. Trying them out. No, that's fake. How are they?
They're good.
They're good? On a scale of 1 to 10.
Yeah. 5.
A 5? Really?
6.
A 6? Alright, I'll take a 6. Alright. And that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make eggs. Make sure to hit the like button. Also subscribe. Definitely subscribe. And also tell me in the comments below if you prefer the voiceover or if you want me to just use the actual sound from the video and I just will like talk in the video while I'm making them. So yeah. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you when I make lunch. Bye.